Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. Welcome back. We are back, man, after a week being in Dominican Republic. Yes, I had to leave again for business, and now we are back and ready to crush the market once again. Sorry, the voice is literally gone. Slowly coming back, but it was a quite a busy week. Plus last night I had so much work that ended up being in bed very late. And yeah, we're trying to play catch up right now. So hopefully one of these is doing great. Hopefully last week was great for you guys. The internet connection over there was so terrible that it was really hard to do anything from there on whatever YouTube or Instagram or whatever. Even watching the chart, it was painful, like how slow it was. So yeah. So I yesterday I did start from scratch and didn't look at charts. And I'll show you what I got for you guys. So welcome to the new people. If you're new here and the first time, please do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel and also activate notification. As you saw this morning, I usually stream around 7:30. I start 7:35 ish, 37, whatever. It's really rare that I do start at the exact same time. So just activate notification. You'll know next time I go live. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. Okay, so hopefully everybody was had a great week. By the way, drop a hi. Say good morning in the chat. Let me know where you're from. If it's your first time, I want to know. I'm just super curious. All right, let's go watch if we have any comment here. Content de le voir and say good morning. Oh, that's some good French there, Krish. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. You look fresh. I don't know about that. I definitely got a tan, but I'm really tired. Not gonna lie. Good morning, Sasha. Welcome back. Thank you, Bilal. Very appreciate. All right, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. All right, cool. Let's flip this screen over here. Let's put this banner over there so we don't get in any of trouble. Throw that envelope on the like button as you're coming in, guys. Yeah, let's go. Um, let's smash that like button. We need to get the algorithm going. All right, cool. So let's start with GG because we always start with. Actually, we have an alert here, so let's go check it out. So let's go. Let's start for. Yeah, you don't see it because you got my face in front of it, but it's alert on EuroCAD. EuroCAD H4 going bullish. Okay, let's go take a look. So let's go take a look. So first thing first, we got a weekly here, bullish on the weekly time frame here on EuroCAD. We had price. Let me grab this tool here. We had price pushing up, creating a high, come down inside that weekly golden zone, and look at how precise it was, man. Boom, right at this weekly area of interest, like inside that weekly golden zone. Look at this push, boom, start to push up. You can grab a nice move in there. Nice move. Create a new high. So not a new high, sorry. We're just trending right now because anything in between those two lines is just market structure, right? So now you're just trying to come back up now, you know. So that's about it. Let's go check out the daily time frame. So daily time frame is now bullish. So we were bearish by doing this and this. So we went bearish, right? Yeah, we broke under that. Okay, we good, perfect. So now we're bullish. We have the pullback. Where do we have that pullback? Let's check it out. Let's check it out, baby. Look at this. Sitting on that golden zone. Let's identify that. We got the daily golden zone right here. Here we go. All right, cool. So now let's remove the fib so we get our chin. Whoops. Our chart clean. Did I say chin? Did I try to say like four words at the same time? My style. Okay. So let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame. Okay, so now we just need this 4 hour to close above here. So that means that now we are bullish. Okay, EuroCAD definitely looking good. Ready to set up. So once we close above, we'll just wait for a pullback and take it to the upside. You know, it can be here, it can be there. I don't care. I'm just gonna be waiting for that pullback. That's it. That's pretty much it. All right, cool. So that's a good plan right there. First one, pretty decent. Because this week so far, I was looking, I was like, doesn't look that exciting. But this one, pretty decent. Pretty decent. Let's see if we have any questions here. Krish. Damn, sold job to you 116 2 days before. And yeah, I know. Man, I was just about to sell some too. God damn it. But yeah, it's part of the game because if you look at Soul, it was overdue for a pullback. Like if you look at this, look this, and crypto is the same thing, right? If you look at the bigger picture here on the weekly, you look at this. We needed that pullback, like, and look at this now. We're right in that golden zone right now. Okay, we're getting to that safety net, but I'm pretty sure after that we're going to be able to bounce back up, hopefully. All right, so now let's start with GJ. Let's start with GJ. Hey guys, man, let's get a 100% like ratio here. Smash a goddamn like, but I don't ask for anything, just that. And the only reason why I ask, it's not for myself. I don't give a shit. I want to be able to help the most people as possible. And the only reason to do that is to get the algorithm going and get this stream suggested to traders. There's too many dumbish streamer, faker, whatever. So let's try to get in front of those people and help them. Okay, so now let's take a look at GJ. GJ is bullish, clearly bullish. Now we're creating a new higher high at the moment. So right now there's not much we can do. I mean, look at this here. Like the daily was pretty ugly, to be honest, for the past couple of days / week. So yeah, I'm not gonna touch GJ for now. The only thing I'll do on GJ maybe is maybe my dogtail setup scalping once this H4 close. Meaning, like if this H4 close like this, I'll wait for the next candle to open up. I'll wait for the wick to be formed, and once we pass the top wick here, that's where I get my entry and I ride it up. Okay, and usually I go like I said, this is a scalp. Usually I go with the 25, 20, 25, 30 pips, whatever. Not much in that, in and out. Thank you very much. Okay. So this setup, I've been using it for the past couple of years. It's been working well for me. Always the same candle, always the same time, always the same pair. Never tried it with anything else, but this for me has been working. So I might do that, but we'll see. Sorry guys, I had to. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, next GCAD. Let's take a look. So GCAD weekly. Let me see if we have any question here. I think I saw something popping up. GC. I'm gonna delete it from my laptop. Not that I took it. Never was entry for me as far was shit and big ass shampoo pattern for R2, but look at it right. It's shit. Yeah, well, we're gonna look at it right now. So what about Motivational Corner? How you doing, buddy? Good morning, G. Good morning. Good morning. All right, guys. Don't forget to smash that goddamn like button. Okay. Let's start with GCAD. This guy. Here we go. ADHD just kicked in, man. A bird just sat on the branch right in front of me, and my eyes went like, a bird, and suddenly I don't know where I'm at. God damn. Okay, let's start back. Okay, we got a weekly. Weekly is bullish. Let's get started. Here we go. So weekly is bullish. We have the pullback. at the weekly area of interest, which is pretty much, if I'm not wrong, that must be also the golden zone, no? Is it? Yeah, we respected the safety net here and we established support. I mean, inside that golden zone, nice support with nice engulfing candle on the weekly. I mean, technically, this looks good. Now, if you look at the daily, daily was bearish. Yeah, so daily was bearish because we went bullish here. Boom, boom, boom. Whatever, even if we count or don't. Personally, I don't count this as an elbow, but even if you do count it, this became bearish because we broke under here, create this, and now a lower low, and we close above, we flip back bullish. So now you just wait for the pullback to go to the upside. Okay, so far it's playing out as expected on those two time frame, which is pretty good. And if you look here, this is also inside our golden zone here. All right, let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. If I go too fast, guys, or if you have question, because maybe it's the first time you see this way, this type of trading, this style, whatever. There's acronym you don't know, words that you don't know. I mean, don't be shy. The reason why I do this is to help you guys, not for me to be in front of you. I don't give a damn. I don't need that in life. I really don't. Trust me. I do that because I receive message and I know it can help a lot of people. So that's the only reason I keep doing those. Because to be honest, I stopped for a while at one point, but I received quite a lot of message. I mean, we were hundreds of people live on this stream before, hundreds. I mean, thousands of views, 10, 8, 7,000 of views. So I mean, and I received tons of message. Took me like a while to actually convince myself to come back, but now we're back and ready to help people. Okay, so now let's take a look at 4 hour. 4 hours bearish. I don't really count this thing as an elbow because it's a doji for me. There's no sharp elbow, so for me it's straight low, and now we got the pullback. You know, there we go, boom, perfect. So now, where is this pullback gonna go? So if we do this, actually the end. It's kind of fucked up this 4 hour time frame. Look at those wicks, man. I just don't really like it. I don't think I'm going to use my fib here. It's not clean, but it just makes sense, like the pullback right here. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So 1 hour is bearish, as you can tell, between this line and this line here. I mean, you cannot see it, but it's right here. Boom. Okay. So anything in between those two are just bearish. Now, if you look down to the 1 hour, the 30 minute, 30 minute was bearish from here to here, and now we flipped bullish from there to there. So this is bullish. After that, we became bearish once again, and now we flip bullish, bullish again, and look like we're bullish now on this 30 minute. Oops. 30 minute. 30 minute bull. 30 minute bull. So yeah, so right now, I mean, GCAD is not ready yet. It does look nice. I mean, nice-ish, you know. We also got trying to see here something. Give me one sec. Mm, 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 mm. All right, so we got a weekly, the daily bullish. We got a 4 hour bearish. So no matter what, I need the 4 hour to go back bullish to do anything. So let's place an alert here. H4 going bullish. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, dude. All right, so that's what I'm gonna be waiting for. Hopefully, the best thing though would be for this to do something like this and actually go down to this daily golden zone, do something like this, close back above, retest, go to the upside. That would be my best case scenario. So the R is better. We got more room because if we do flip here, yes, we're bullish, but we're going to be like very close to this daily resistance, which is not optimal to be honest. So yeah, so here's GCAT. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. Oh, est-ce qu'on a Monsieur Resilient Game? Justement, l'homme de la situation, je sais pas si c'est encore là, mais man, je me suis couché tard hier. J'ai fait la gaffe de suivre les vidéos de quelqu'un pour comment updater le thème Shopify. Et oh tabarnak, j'ai tout perdu. Fait que j'étais un peu en mode panique ce matin, fait que ça se peut que je t'écrive. Fait que je sais pas si t'es encore là, mais bref, c'est ça. Alright, guys. Ouais, je capote un peu. J'ai fait des tonnes de cauchemars. Okay, Sensei, if EC make new 4 higher high, what will be, hold on, if EC new 4 what will be the H low? Very confused, it's kind of doji elbow. Okay, hold on. Let me go back to this. What will be the high and low if EC make, oh, on the 4 okay. So if EC make new high, what would be the H low? Not sure I'm getting it. Well, I mean, if it makes a new high, you know, if he makes you a new high, you're yeah, okay, now I understand the confusion. Okay, I understand the confusion. It's still like this one when you're going on top. Let's see here. No, you're right. So your high low will stay down here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so your high low will stay down here because you don't have a sharp elbow here. Um, yeah, because usually the way I do it is like when I'm going down, I'm tracing my elbow like this. You know, if I go on top, I'll trace my elbow like this, which is this. That there's no like really elbow. Um, okay. Sorry, guys, I got distracted. Where was I? Um, your steps. Your GPY, please. Yes, we definitely gonna take a look at it. It's not in the pair that I'm looking for this week so far, but we're definitely gonna take a look at it. Okay, next one. Somebody else suggest another pair. Let me just go down to the chat. Oh, AUD USD. Okay, so yeah, we'll take a look. Okay, so now we did GCAD. We did EuroCAD. We did EuroCAD. That was EC we were talking about, right? Okay, yeah. Let's do GA. GA is actually Krish who sent me that pair. Holy, what happened there? Damn. Sent me that pair yesterday. Said it was looking good, and it's actually looking pretty decent. But now it looked like, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But so far, look at this. The weekly is bearish. All right, so weekly is bearish because we broke under that low, and now we're having this pullback inside that weekly golden zone. Now, if you look to the daily area of interest, we kind of broke it, and we're about to close above here. I mean, this is the daily. So at the end of the day, if this candle closed above here, this trade idea is gone, right? Because we're gonna flip bullish on the daily time frame. So right now, maybe not so good. So let's put it down here, but we're gonna keep an eye on it. 4 hour is definitely bullish. We're gonna update the chart here, and yeah, okay. So let's go down to Euro USD. You see, when it's not aligned and not looking super nice, don't force the trade. Just move on to the next one. There's so many pairs out there. Just don't fuck it. You know. I mean, treadmill. Damn. Thank you, Krish. Actually, I think that like I was feeling super tired. I was like, I'm not gonna do my steps, but you know what? Since you said it, I have no choice. And that's great. Okay, I gotta do it. Okay, give me one sec, guys. I gotta do it. I gotta wake up the fat ass in me. Um, here we go. All right, we'll put in the walking pad. Yeah, bear with me, guys. We'll be right back. Do. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, guys. We are back. We are back. We are back. Ready to rock. Ready to rock and roll. Okay. And by the way, guys, I received a tons of message about doing a private Discord or something like that, or kind of a like uh mini mentorship or something like that. Right now, I'm too busy. I'm not saying never, but that's the reason why I actually canceled my previous mentorship because I was way too busy. Um, but probably around summertime, I should be like able to start again something. Um, we are hiring and like new people, so hopefully that's gonna help, and it's gonna slow down. It's gonna slow down some stuff for me. Um, hopefully, but right now, too much things to do. So I do apologize, but it's not something I'd say a definite no, but just not now. Okay. So, all right, we're gonna get those steps going as we speak. Okay. Don't worry, that noise gonna go like in a minute, 30 seconds. Damn, it's actually worse than last time. Let's tell him who's the boss. Damn. Hopefully it's gonna settle down. Okay. Okay, so let's go back. I swear, if the sound doesn't go back, it doesn't disappear in a minute, I'll stop, guys. Don't worry. Um, but usually it's already a little better. Okay, so Euro USD. Let's talk about it. Okay, so if you look at the Oh man, look at this shit. This shit dumps. Okay, so if you look at Euro USD, we are bearish on the weekly time frame. Okay. And we got the infamous shampoo pattern. And we find broke down under that neckline. So wait for the retest, which is also the weekly area of interest to continue to the downside. So that would be the plan. So it's not close to be ready, but that's definitely something I'll be keeping an eye on for the next couple days/weeks. Now, if you look at on the daily time frame, let's take a look. Let me delete this. Daily, we are bearish. All right. We are bearish, so I guess now we just need to wait for the pullback. Just wait for the pullback. We cannot use the fib yet because we don't have a bullish candle. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, we are bearish also. We create a new lower low and a new lower high. So I'm expecting price on 4-hour to go back bullish, to have our pullback on the weekly time frame. Oops. And we'll wait for the switch to go back bearish to take the trade. Okay. So Euro USD looks nice, but not now, So definitely something that's gonna be ready in the next couple of days/weeks. Euro NZD kind of looked nice yesterday when I was looking at it. So let's see here. So the weekly is bullish. Daily went bullish. Actually, wait a second. Oh, okay, my bad. So from there to there, we were bullish. Now we went bearish. Daily lower low. And yeah, because if we're going under, here we have an elbow, a tiny one, but still. So here. Okay, so now this doesn't look as nice as I was looking at then. So 4 hours now bullish. Here we don't have an elbow. Okay, so yeah, okay, so this, I'm gonna remove this because this doesn't look nice. Okay, GN. What about GN? So we have the weekly bullish. And look at this. Daily's about to create a new higher high now. So the trade was like, trade idea is gone. We are at a higher high, so no thank you. Okay, GU. You see, we're going fast. When something doesn't make sense, just move on. Fuck it, Oh yeah, AUD USD. You're right. Okay, so let's go to AUD USD. Let's go to AUD USD first. Did you do Euro GPY? Not yet. Not yet. We're gonna take a look at it. Damn, you guys are on fire. Okay, so let's start with AUD USD. That was the first request. So let's do this. God damn, where's my AUD USD? Oh, right here. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Oh, I think I didn't refresh my chart. Oh no, okay. So AUD USD is bearish since, as you can see, August 2022. So almost a year. I mean, not a year, but what, 8 months? 10, whatever. For a while. Actually, 2022. Almost 2 years. God damn. A year and a half. Okay, so now, whatever. So weekly is bearish. Daily is bearish. And let's establish this area of interest. So here we got one, two, actually this, oh yeah, okay. So this makes sense actually. This area makes sense as a daily area of interest, which is also a major QP. So if you look here, uh, man, so this major QP makes sense. Okay, so I'll be waiting for the pullback up. So that's why it's not on my watch list yet, because not close to be ready. But we can definitely move it up, though, like somewhere around here. 4 hour. You see, 4 hour was bullish from there to there, from there to there, and once we broke under, we flipped bearish. Now we got new lower low here, new lower high, and here is the new lower high and new lower low. Okay. So let's recap this. So we got the weekly bearish, right? We got the daily bearish. We got a 4 hour bearish. So everything's bearish, to be honest. I think the trade here was bullish. So yeah, no, okay. So actually everything's looking nice right now. Everything's looking nice on the AUDSD. It's just a matter of waiting for the pullback on the daily now. Oh, give me 1 sec, guys. Right. Okay. So let's continue. So basically, we're going to be waiting for this retest here to continue to the downside. So that's what I'm going to be waiting for. So now it's just a matter of being patient and waiting for that. But it's starting to look decent. So actually, that should deserve a blue spot. There we go. So good catch here. Who was that? Because I did look at it yesterday, but I was going through charts very, very fast yesterday, just trying to try to play catch up, because I was so late. Didn't look at the chart almost for a week. Kind of fucked things up, to be honest. But it's part of the game. Okay, so let's move down now. Next suggestion was, so hopefully the help for who suggests AUD USD. Who was it? Oh damn, I don't want to screw up your name. But Kirabel. So sorry, I just hope I didn't destroy your name. But hopefully that was helpful for you. Thanks. Okay, you're welcome, bud. Welcome. Actually, let me remove this sweater because it's getting warm pretty fast. Okay, let's continue. Which one? What else we had here? ADUSD. We had NG. So, all right, let's take a look. Entity GPY. Let's do it, guys. Hey, guys, help drop that like button. It will be great to have like 100% like ratio. That'll be amazing. By the way, guys, don't forget next time I go live will be on Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer, which is where I break down trades, give you trades idea for the upcoming days, answer all your questions. We can talk about drama in the industry. We can talk about anything. We're just enjoying a nice little beer all together, or whatever drinks you're drinking, and just having some fun. All right. So let's take a look at NZD GPY, baby. So if you look at the weekly time frame, we are clearly bullish. We have the pullback, and I think that's at the safety net just by looking at this. Yes, correct. So we did respect the safety net. We did close support right above it, which is good. Awesome. We did retest previous structure that was broken. So now if you look at the daily, daily is also bullish. We went back, retest 91,000, major QP. We did establish support with a nice little doji, which this should be also at the safety net. Exactly. Well, actually, it creates support right inside that golden zone on the daily, though, which is good. So let's identify that. It's an added confluence for me. There we go. Perfect. Okay, now let's go down to 4 hour. So 4 hour did close bearish here, which is amazing. Okay, which is amazing because now we just got to wait for the daily to flip back bullish. Daily, whoops. I mean the 4 hour. Sorry, I said the daily, but the 4 hour. There we go. Perfect. So now, honestly, what I would prefer once again would be for price to do something like this and close back above here, retest, take the trade somewhere around here. That'll be beautiful. So NZD-GPY looks like we're gonna get this thing at like a green spot. Looks like we're gonna get this thing a green spot. Actually gonna place an alert here. So what I'll do here is I'll try start to do something a little different. So here, that's a classic one. Everybody knows we're gonna say H4 going bullish. Perfect. But the other alert that I'm gonna place, it's because recently, like I was creating lower low, and I was not looking at a chart, so I didn't realize. So I was missing trades. So the other alert that I'll do is this one right here. And this will say H4 creating new lower low. There we go. So now after that, I can come to the chart, update my lines, and put my next alert. Like let's say that price did this, this. So I'm going to be notified here. Let's say close here. So we got our new lower low. So now after that, once I update my chart, I'm going to place an alert like here that say H4 going bullish. Okay, makes sense. So that's why I like this, because I don't need to be in front of my computer all day. I can just set up my alerts, bam, and I'm done. Okay. All right. All righty. So NZD-GPY looking good. Okay, what's the next? What's next? We did Euro. Did we do Euro GPY? No, we didn't do Euro GPY yet. So that's the next one. The Euro GPY. Yeah, okay. So we'll do that one. So guys, if you have any questions, don't be shy. If you just came in, just drop a hi in the chat. And please do not forget to smash that goddamn like button. I think I'm gonna do a t-shirt. Smash a goddamn like button. Fuck, that would be funny. Alrighty. Euro GPY, yeah. Right now, I don't know. Right away, we are a high on Euro GPY on the weekly. So I don't know. The daily is bullish. We went down. Like here was a great possibility for trade idea when we were down here. But now it's just like price didn't create a new higher high. I personally don't like this when price do this, comes here and kind of failed on creating a new higher high and come back down, and I don't know. And now we're super close to, like I said, this weekly high high here. I personally prefer to wait for this candle to close this week and see did we create a new high high or not, or whatever. Just personally, I'm gonna stay away. Especially that, I mean, H4 is bullish since March 18, which was what? Yeah, March 18. We're just playing back and forth in that range. Look at this. We failed on creating a high here, and we came down. So far still holding bullish, but I really don't like that price action, to be honest. So hopefully that was helpful. La 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 la. I started to look at crude oil from yesterday. Oh goddamn! Take a look and say it's very clean. Yeah, I stay away. I stay away from those things. I focus on one thing, and one thing only, which is Forex. Yes, I do look at crypto because I got investment in there, but that's about it. I don't trade crypto. Yeah, I buy and hold, but I do not trade it. I think those things are two different things. Um, and I don't like to be distracted. I'm already a lot. Like I'm already distracted enough. I don't need another thing. So, but thanks for the suggestion, though. I know a couple people that makes good money with U.S. oil, which is great, but I stay away. Especially that when news happen, this shit, it's rocket ship or submarine fuel, So, no, thank you. Cat CPI in 5 minutes. Yes. People with a TP or selling GC. Totally. Let's hope for the best and grab some popcorn. Yes. So this coming up. What do you think about NZD USD? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Can we get to 20 likes? Man, that'll be great. I remember me like 5 years ago when I started streaming, or 4 years ago. We had a small group, and after that we became bigger. Now we start again from scratch. Now we're building up the audience back. So thank you for from I mean, thank you to any one of you that's here that did like this smash. Did like, man, trying to speak too fast this morning. That did smash the like button. I do appreciate it. All right. So let's see here. We got Joe. Hey, Sasha, how's it going? How you doing, Joe? Still trading gold, I guess. Noted that. I will also focus on one thing only, and that's Forex. Yeah, it's just a suggestion, right? You guys can do whatever you want. Just it's like anything else. It's like if an athlete, okay, let's say if an athlete start to practice, I don't know, whatever sports, it can be, let's say soccer. He wants to be the best at soccer, but it's like, yeah, baseball is kind of cool too. So let me try to be the best at baseball too. You know where I want to go? It's just like it's really tough. It's really really tough for someone to be able to master two different things. Again, it's two charts, but still, it's two different beasts right there. So I mean, baseball and soccer are sports, right? But they're different sports. So it's basically, yeah, there's exception, but there's basically impossible to be the beast in both. There's some exception. Don't get me wrong. There is, but in majority of the time. Okay, let's jump to the new pair. No BTC. Oh, okay. What time do you prefer avoiding entering a trade? New York session, New York Open, because it can be quick with the volume. London close, I like those. I hate the Asian session. I will enter Asian session only and only if the setup is really solid. But yeah, I don't like Asian session because it's just like it's not moving. It can be like wild sometimes, like with news and open of the market. So yeah, I just don't like Asian session. Mm. BTC short just before Alving. That's crazy. Yes. But hey, everyone is having their own view of the chart. Okay, so now let's jump into it. Can we get to 20 likes, guys? We're just missing 5. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it now. Okay, so what pair now? Bilal says NZD USD. Did we look at it? Did I look at NZD USD? Oh, clearly we didn't. Okay, so let's do it. So let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly is, where's my mouse? There we go. Oh, over here. Okay, so weekly is bullish. We had the pullback inside golden zone, but we destroyed it. We also destroyed the major QP 60,000, which usually it's not a good sign. Did we broke the safety net? Not yet, but if this candle close under here, we did destroy that safety net, which at this time, usually I'm not that interested, but let's take a look at the other time frame. The daily is clearly bearish. 4 hours bearish. Yeah, right now, I mean, you got a weekly bullish. You got the daily and the 4 hour bearish. So if you're looking for a day trade, yeah, you can short it with the daily and the 4 hour in sync. You can wait for the pullback and get that trade. To be honest, it's something I need to take a look a little bit more these days, but it's not something I'm going to be looking at this week, to be honest. I got other options, but it makes sense. But the other reason why I don't want to do it, it's really simple. It's there's a big probability now that the daily flip back bearish, we create a lower low, that's we're gonna have a pullback at one point, right? We're gonna be needed to retest this previous structure. So I'm not willing to take that day trade down here. You know, we are at a lower low on the daily time frame. So if you wait for the pullback here, maybe, maybe it can make sense for a day trade. But I'm not that excited about that. But again, day trade can make sense. We'll put it up here, like a little bit more higher in the rank, but not my thing for now. Okay. We're getting close. We're missing 3 likes. 3 likes. Who's gonna give those likes? All right, we just got an alert live. GCAD H4 going bullish. Oh shit, yeah, it's CPI. Look at this. Let's take a look. H4. Look at this. Wow, this candle just, what time is it? Let's get the 1 hour, 30 minute. Let's get the 30 minute. Oh, look at this in 1 minute. In not even 40 seconds. Holy shit. There's going to be some excited people. In less than a minute, we did 40 pips. Not bad. Not bad. And this shit is rocket fuel right now. So I know many of you looking at this, it's like, oh my god, I missed a trade, Don't panic. Don't panic. Most of them, it might just gone. That's possible. But most of the time, when news happen like this, shit's gonna go up, shit's gonna go down, whatever. But after this, market, most of the time, once again, most of the time will correct the market. So me and I, we should have a pullback and be able to enter. I always tell people, if you don't know what you're doing trading news, please don't. Okay? And you wait for the storm to pass. and you enter after. Okay, so that's really important. Man, this shit keeps pumping. So let's see here. Um, so now FWAR is flipping bullish, which is great. Which is this actually, when you look at this, you don't tell yourself, "Oh shit, I missed a trade." You're like, "Nice, that's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. That's exactly what I wanted when we broke it down." I said, "Hey, I need GC to break above here, come down, and go back up," which is perfect, beautiful. I mean, keep going, baby. I don't mind. I don't mind. The trade idea stay the same, and if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. We'll catch the next one. We'll catch the other pairs, whatever. You know. Damn, we're missing 2 likes. 2 likes. Can we get 2 more? Let's get to 20 likes, baby. Um. Okay, so let's see. Um. Okay. What time? So I answer that. Answer that. Hey, Joe. It's like with gold. Just don't drop numbers. Tell us why. Tell us why. What's your confirmation? Why you entering the trade? Send a chart. So same shit, man. It's been like 2 years, bro. I'm telling you that. What's going on with you? What's going on with you, Joe? But just for fun. But just for fun. Yeah, BTC is looking good for a big push to the upside. I think the drop here was overdue. We're probably going to drop a little bit more, which is good for you, Joe. Uh, yeah, probably going to drop like somewhere in here. Oh, actually, no, hold on, wait a second. This weekly flip bearish. This weekly flip bearish here. Baby. Yeah, it should be good. Should be good. Because we should have a pullback around like 54-ish, 56, around there. Yeah. Same thing with Solana. We was overdue for a pullback. Now, I think we should be able to continue to the upside next week. Like we're right inside that golden zone right now. So just perfect. Okay, let's go back to Forex, baby. What other pair? What other pair? Man, we're missing 2 likes, baby. Come on. Um, what else? You guys have any other pairs? I think we did them all. The one that was interesting. Can't GPY didn't move. What about EuroCAD? Look at this. That's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy. GCAD. Man, this shit keeps pumping up. Insane. So how many pips so far? How many pips? We got in 6 minutes. We're up 63 pips. So the one that took it against the trend when the 4-hour was bearish, but with engulfing, are probably exciting right now. But again, it's against my plan. I wait for the time frame to switch. There are some people who, I don't know, just don't care, and they take it, which is risk it for the biscuit for me. And I'm not willing to risk it for the biscuit in those kind of situations. Of course, if you're playing with not your own money and you're playing with a funding account or stuff like that, maybe you can be like more like loose. But when you play with your own capital, I mean, that's where you learn real things. That's where you learn how to trade, for real, because that's your fucking own money. God damn, we broke 21 likes. Let's go. So yeah. So even it's $100 account, even it's 500, 1,000, whatever it's the amount, who cares? That's your own money that you work for, and this has value. I'm not saying funding accounts are not good. That's not what I'm saying. But there's too many people that jump into funding account without even knowing what is it to trade real money, which is kind of not really good in a sense, I highly recommend anyone to actually be profitable for 3 months in a row with real money, whatever the amount, before jumping live into a funding account. That's just my own thing, but you see, no, like you see, I only take a look at UCAD for vacation money, like where to buy and hold some money for myself for vacation money. But yeah, we could take a look at it. It must be crazy right now. USD CAD. Because USD CAD, the thing is, there's too many things that impact those two major pair together. Like you get one tweet, and this shit is gone. Yeah, same thing here. We need to wait for the pullback on the date, but yeah. Oops. GU. Yeah, GU, I take a look at it. It's not now. It looks clean, but it's like in a week or so. Have not taken single trade since. Yeah, man, have not taken a single trade since 1 month and a half. Not gonna lie. And GC was looking this week, but my rule state that 4 has to be clean. And in this case, it was not found my rule and didn't took it. Perfect, man. Perfect. Beautiful. That's it. You set up rules, you follow them. I mean, you cannot say like, oh yeah, but this time I'm gonna cheat, this time I'm gonna cheat, this time I'm gonna cheat. At one point, it doesn't make sense, All right, this is good, man. This is really good. All right, guys. So what time is it now? All right, I think we're good. I think we did a good review here. We got 21 likes. Thank you so much, guys. We're starting to build back the audience. Once again, I'm going to be live on next Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. We're going to go live with Forex Stock Over Beer, where I broke down my trades that I took during the week, answer questions, give you trade ideas, and we're just enjoying some time together, right? So, again, thank you so much for being here today. Oh, let me see. I think there's another pair that... Hold on. Last call. I know what you mean. I don't touch USD CAD, Euro USD, or GBP, GPY. Yeah, GJ is the only one I do touch because I've been trading that one for so long. But all the other one, not really. That one time you cheat is not worth it in the future. Man, so true. Thank you, Sensei, for your time. You're welcome, buddy. So again, thank you so much for being here this morning. I really appreciate every single one of you. And I can't wait to see you again on Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer. Thank you so much and wish you an amazing, amazing day. Trade safe, guys. Take care. Peace out.